Do you also feel that your eyes are stressed, strained and tensed? When we work on laptop, computers or phone for a long time, we feel itchiness, redness and puffiness in the eyes. If yes, then you must watch this video till the end. Hi everyone, welcome back to Healthy We. In this video, I am going to talk to you about some of the eye relaxation techniques and some of the eye relaxation exercises. Eyes are the most important part of our body and we work with our eyes from morning till night. But yet, they are the most ignored part of our body. Working on the laptop, computer for a long time can stress our eyes, and when we attend the online classes, attend the online sessions, working on the phone for a long time can stress and strain our eyes. And we really need to stop this and take a break, because when we constantly look at the screen, our eyes get a lot of stress, a lot of strain, and we feel irritated. We might get headaches. Sometimes we might also get irritation, redness, puffiness in the eyes. So let's see what are the ways in which we can relax our eyes. These are some of the home remedies which we can use at home. The first one is eye massage, second is sunning, third is warm compress, fourth is cold water, and then last one is the aloe vera. Eye massage. Use clean fingers to gently massage the eyebrows and the muscles above the eyebrow, the under eyes and temples. This will help increase blood circulation to the eyes and relax the muscles around your eyes. The next one is sunning. It is a great way of starting your day. Stand in front of a window or a place that receives plenty of sunlight. Close your eyes and allow sunlight to warm your eyelids. Next is warm compress. For this you will need a soft clean cloth. Dip this soft clean cloth into warm water and find a comfortable place to lie down. Close your eyes and place the warm cloth over your eyelids for 1 minute. Repeat this process at least 3 times. Cold water. This is similar to warm compress, except you dip a soft clean cloth into cold water instead. This will reduce the puffiness in your eyes. Next is aloe vera eye mask. Just have to keep the aloe vera gel on your eyes, on top of your eyes, so that it can soothe and relax your eyes. Now some eye relaxation exercises. Sit in any comfortable pose. You can sit in comfortable Padmasan, Sukhasana or Ardha Padmasan. Now keep your back straight. Close your eyes. Keep your hands in Gyan Mudra. Inhale, exhale. Deep breathe in, deep breathe out. Now we're going to chant Om 3 times. You're focusing your mind on your breath. Let's start. Relax for some time. Inhale, exhale. Breathe in, breathe out. Focus your mind on your breath. Now, rub your palms together. Keep your palms on your eyes. And slowly open your eyes inside your palms. Eyes are relaxed. We're going to do some of the eye relaxation exercises. Open your eyes inside your palms. Put your hands down. Now inhale and bring both your hands in front of you at the shoulder level. Now move your right hand towards your right side. Your thumb is open and you're looking at the thumb. Take your hand to your side. Stay there for some time. Keep looking at it. And now breathe out and bring your right hand back to the center. In the similar way we are going to do with the left hand. Move your left hand and keep gazing at the left thumb. Take it towards your left side. Yes, stay there for some time. Keep looking at the thumb. And slowly breathe out and bring your right hand to the center. You can repeat this with your right hand again. In a similar manner, take it to the right side and keep looking at the right thumb. Bring it to the center. And now move your left hand towards your left side. You're gazing at the thumb. Keep looking at it. Stay there. Now bring your left hand back to the center. Now we'll do the next one. Put your hands down. In this, you're going to take your right hand above your shoulder level in front of you, and you're going to keep your left hand down. Look at your right thumb and then left thumb, right thumb and left thumb. Your hands are diagonally placed, up and down, right and left, right and left, right, left. Keep doing this. You can start from 5 times to 10 times and then gradually increase it. Now let's change the sides. Bring your left hand up and your right hand goes down. Diagonally again. Look at your left thumb and then to your right. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Now we'll do the next one. Bring your hands down in Gyan Mudra. Look up and then look down. Look up without moving your neck. You're just moving your eyes. Look up and look down. Look up, look down, look up and look down. Look up, look down. Next change. Now look towards your right side and then towards your left side. Right side, left side, right, left, right, left, right side, left side. Great. Now let's make a circle with the eyes. Look up, side, down, side, up, side. Make circle in clockwise direction and then in the anti-clockwise direction. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.